Hello everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome to 1213 Prescott Way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post another video. A video. A video. Video. Well, you guys, as you can see, I am having leftovers, so I will do a thumbnail. And when I got to work, I realized I forgot to get my corn on the cob and something else. But I'm having mac and cheese, salmon, baked beans, and corn muffin. And I like ketchup on my mac and cheese, whether it's homemade, boxed. But the box one I have to put it on there, so I don't really eat it, or make it. This is homemade, but I want ketchup and then David tried it. He's like, it really tastes good with the ketchup. I just think I'll do. I am a little hungry. And of course I forgot my what do we call it? Hot sauce. Did you guys know that today was hamburger day? So a lot of places are having either free hamburger or buy one get one free. I don't eat them, so unless it's a veggie burger. I can't believe I forgot what else I forgot. I don't remember. I made David a tomahawk steak. I put that on the grill. He's still enjoying it. He said he ate twice yesterday. So I'm happy about that. I said he's back. That's what I told him. He has his appetite again. I was reading, I don't know how true it is, allegedly, that Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's, Carl's Jr. are going to have $20 combos. I think they're trying to make up for people that are trying to eat healthy. Less cars in the drive-thru, and everybody watching what they eat or seeing how high the prices are, they're opting to cook at home. So going back to the way it should have been. Look at that. Actually, it's a blessing in disguise. I get the junk food and all that stuff, the fast food. I didn't eat that before I started doing mukbangs. Not as often as I started to. So unless it's fit. Now you won't see them unless it's fish or, you know what I mean? Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I said, remember how, oh my gosh, Family Star is the smallest burger at Carl's Jr., right? It's just like a regular hamburger. They said they'd have jumped from $5.29 to $11.68. Mm-mm. Cannot. It's funny how everything has raised but the pay, but your pay scale. It's ridiculous. It seems to be like when Deborah and I go to a natural restaurant, that's cheaper than going to fast food. And a lot better. At least they have vegetables and salads and stuff. Mm. Check out my new buddy. I should have looked at the name, but I forgot it. I took off all the paper that was on it, stickers and everything. But it says with cold drinks, it lasts 40 hours cold, and with heated drinks, it lasts 12 hours. I'm only using this for water, so I won't know about the heated ones unless I just test it just to test it. But 40 hours, that's a long time. I don't plan on having my water in here for 40 hours. I plan on drinking this, you know, completely throughout the day. And at least some at night, you know, a second one at night, or at least some of it. And I forgot how many cups it says. Is this the, I think this is 4 cups. It has been 4 hours since I put it in, so I'm not even close to the time. You guys, I am full already. It's the same. But as I was telling you guys, today is hamburger day. Today is hamburger day, so excuse me. At Burger King, today you can get a free hamburger with the purchase of 70 cents or more. You know, an item of 70 cents or more. I don't know why they just couldn't do it for free. They just have to get something from you. And then tomorrow, it's you spend 70 cents or more and you get a free croissant sandwich. Still talking about Burger King. And then on Thursday, May 30th, you get a free medium soft drink when you spend 70 cents or more. And Friday, you can get a free cheeseburger with the purchase of some 70 cents or more. Saturday, a free birthday pie, 70 cents or more. Sunday, a free original crispy chicken sandwich. David likes those. And it doesn't even say, oh, 70 cents or more. Everything is 70 cents or more. And Wendy's, they have a 1-cent burger. But you can check out there if you were into this. And Arby's, you can get 50% off any burger when you order through the app. No, and that's for Arby's reward members. So they have a very long list of places. Buffalo Wild Wings, Dave & Buster's, Grubhub, they even have a special, and Joe's Pizza and Ice Cream. Just different places. Jack in the Box. New and current members of Jack in the Box reward program Tuesday, which is today, can get a free jumbo jack with $1 minimum purchase. So those are pretty good deals. That's the only time I would buy them. That's what you should let them know. The only time you buy their food is when they have those kind of deals. only $1, you know, or buy one get one free or something like that, which is, you know, if I'm spending less than $5, I may go buy it, and that's a big may. So you guys, since I am full, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post another video. And don't forget to let me know in the comments if you guys are planning on taking advantage of these meals or deals. And have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, and night. And I will see you on the next video. Love you. Peace.